Today I'm going to do a quick video on how to easily participate in the Unique Networks Testnet and claim an early Polkadot NFT called SubstraPunks. These are kind of a remake of CryptoPunks, if you happen to remember those. First thing you're going to do is go to the Unique Chain Testnet at uniqueapps.usetech.com/pound/accounts. I'll also put the address in the description. If you already have an existing Polkadot UI account that you're using across all chains, you'll simply need the address from this page to start. If not, you'll need to make an account or simply change your existing one to use across all chains. Once you have your address, you can just click this circle to the left of the name right here. That'll copy it. Now you're going to need to go to the Unique Network Telegram room. I'll put a link to that in the description. And either message an admin with your address or ask for some testnet tokens in the chat. We can see that I have some right here. Once you have those, you can go to the SubstraPunks page. Check that out. I'll put a link to this in the description as well. You only get one chance to claim these. If we reload the page, we'll get some different options. The options just keep changing. If you click on one and go back, the options will change as well. The red ones are not claimed, the blue ones are claimed. So we'll claim this one right here. You can see it's accessories. You can see this is free. Let's claim her. I'm going to claim to my controller account since that's where my tokens are for the transaction. It'll mine real quick. We need to sign the transaction, which I've logged in for 15 minutes to do this video. Mine again real quick. There we go. You own this SubstraPunk. There's a link right here back to that wallet on the testnet page. And then here's how you're going to see the SubstraPunk that you just claimed. You can either click that link or just come back here, go up to NFT, find token collection, hit this green button, and you're going to pick SubstraPunks at collection, which I've already done. Once you do that, in my collections, you'll see SubstraPunks. Click that. There they are. Transfer them if you like. You can look at them. That's about it. Really simple, really easy.